Okay, tell me, how did you and Vishwas meet? And tell us about your journey.
Oh my god. This is also part of this conversation. Okay. Vishwas used to be an actor,
Hmm.
and he was doing a show called Sparsh
Hmm.
on Sony Entertainment. And back then, I just about started my career, and that show was doing very well. And my family and I, we were a huge fan of that show. And I remember bumping into him at a studio, and in the staircase of that studio. And I walked up to him and I said, "Hi, my name is Prachi, and just wanted to tell you that I love your serial, and my entire family loves it." So he said, "Thank you so much," and he left. And Katua was doing a show with Anurag Basu called Koshish Ek Asha on Z. And he came to meet him because he also writes. So he was writing those Z love stories. If you remember, there used to be these episodic love stories, and so Anurag had called him for a particular show, a particular story actually. And there was we had a lunch break, and then he walks into our makeup room, and I'm like, "Oh hi, haven't we met before?" So he had this big smile on his face because he's much older to me. He's about 10 years older to me, and at that time, his opinion was like, "Oh, probably she's just infatuated," and so so yeah, I remember going up to him and I'm saying, "Yeah," I said, "We have met before. I remember meeting you in this particular studio, and a couple of months back, and such a it's pleasure to have you on my set." And so we exchanged our numbers then, and because he said this is what he's doing, and I said, "Great, maybe if there's a story I could be a part of, please do let me know. This is my number." And he never called me. So I did a follow up call after about 2 weeks to ask that, is that episode happening? If at all, please let me know. And then, of course, then followed by we met up for a cup of coffee, and then here we are. We've been married for like 20 years.